Hello and welcome to this tutorial on setting up a Node.js project with TypeScript in 2023. In this video, we will be going over the steps to get your project up and running with TypeScript, including how to install the necessary tools and set up your project structure. By the way, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Let's start. Step 1. Install Node.js. The first step is to make sure you have Node.js installed on your computer. You can download the latest version of Node.js from the official website. We will add the link in the description. Once you have Node.js installed, you can verify the installation by running the command node v in your terminal. Step 2. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it using the terminal. Step 3. Initialize a new Node.js project by running the following command. This will create a package.json file with default values. Step 4. Install TypeScript as a development dependency by running the following command. Step 5. Create a tsconfig.json file in your project's root directory. This file will contain the TypeScript compiler options. You can create this file by running the following command. Step 6. In the tsconfig.json file, set the target property to ES6 and the module property to common.js. Your tsconfig.json file should look like this. Step 7. Create a src directory in your project's root directory. Step 8. Create a new TypeScript file in the src directory and add some basic code to make sure everything is working correctly. For example, create a file called index.ts in the src directory and add the following code. Step 9. In the terminal, navigate to your project's root directory and run the following command to compile your TypeScript code into JavaScript. Finally, you can run your Node.js project by running the following command in the terminal. And you should see the following output. That's it. You have successfully set up a Node.js project with TypeScript. Now you can start using the powerful features of TypeScript in your Node.js project. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.